Dear students, just there is a beautiful creature that you are watching here, and I think you must know about this creature. Do you know what is this? I think you have must identify this creature, and what you identified, that is right. Actually, this is a squirrel, and in your book there is a story, and its name is The Squirrel. Today we shall read the story The Squirrel. Actually, this is the story of two brothers and sisters. The brother's name is Yash and sister's name is Harshita. Both are brothers and sisters, as I told you, and they used to live in a house. Actually, Harshita was 9 years old, and Yash, who was his younger brother, he was 3 years old. Harshita used to go to schools, but Yash, who was only 3 years old, he was not a school going boy. They used to live in a house. The house was small, and they liked their house much. This story is about them. As you see that the house was very beautiful because there was a garden behind their house. There were different type of trees like coconut, mango, guava, pomegranate, papaya, etc. There were also flowers there which were very beautiful, and there was also a tulsi plant at the gate of the garden, and this garden that you are watching was the home of a squirrel. The story starts that Harshita and Yash were playing in the garden, and that very time Yash saw a squirrel, and he asked his sister, "What is this?" Then his sister replied, "This is a squirrel." That time he told, "This squirrel is very beautiful, and there are stripes on the body of this squirrel." Then Harshita told, "There is a story related to it." That time Yash wanted to know the story. That time Harshita told the story that Lord Ram was building a bridge to cross the sea. Ram had an army of monkeys and bears. They were working day and night. The squirrel also went there to help them. It carried very small pieces of sand in its mouth and dropped them into the sea. Lord Ram saw this little creature. He became very glad to see it. He called the squirrel near him and he asked, "What are you doing?" That time squirrel told, "Just I am helping you to making the bridge." And to see it, he lifted the squirrel in his hand and touched it with his fingers. From that day, there are stripes on its body. These stripes are the symbol of affection, said Harshita. Later on, it became there an interesting game to watch the squirrel. They used to watch the squirrel running from one branch to another branch. One day it was searching something. Yash asked, "What is it searching, sister?" Then Harshita told, "It is searching a fruit." Then she asked that there are a lot of fruits, but why is it searching that very fruit? That time Harshita explained, generally it finishes one fruit. After that it bites another fruit. It does not waste them. Then Yash said, "Today I saw it carries some seeds in its mouth. Does it store them?" Then Harshita said, "No, it does not store food. Actually, it carries food for its baby." After some days, they saw a baby squirrel in their garden moving from here and there. Suddenly, they saw that baby squirrel, fell on the ground when it was jumping from one branch to another branch. The baby squirrel was unconscious. That time, mother squirrel was very sad. Then Harshita brought a glass of water and poured it on the baby squirrel's mouth. After some time, it moves its tail and it got its sense and ran to its mother. Both Harshita and Yash became very happy. Actually, this story shows our love towards animals or creatures. There are many creatures in this world, and it is our duty to save all the creatures. We should love the creatures because there is unity in diversity, and this story tells us about it. As Ram loved the squirrel, these little children also loved the squirrel and they saved their life. So whenever there is danger for any creature, it is your duty to save them. And if you do, that time really you are a good person. And as Lord Ram shared his love, you should also share your love with all the creatures. Thank you. Have a nice day.